All right, next in line we got the SF521 injector for the 2006 model LBZ 6.6 liter engine. And surprisingly, despite it basically covering just 1 year of production, we seem to sell numerous sets of this particular part number every single month. From doing a little research, it seems the LBZ has a improved computer tune over the LLY, giving it more power, more reliability, and is actually the last model of the 6.6 engine without the DPF and all the emissions regulations, which makes it one of the most sought after Duramax engines. Again, our SF521 is drop and go. This one does have an IQA code that will have to be entered with each injector that's installed into the computer system. But man, good quality injector again, and I know we'll get you guys fixed up in a jiffy.
Fixed up in a jiffy.
Go to Taylor Diesel, they'll show you the light. Yeah, Taylor Diesel, your truck ain't right.